Hi, I am Alexandria Ferrer and this is my Sprout Up journey.
Why did I choose agriculture? Choosing this field is influenced by my parents since their work is related to it. I spent my childhood on a farm, so I always see my father and mother doing work like planting crops, taking care and feeding the animals that provide for our needs. Agriculture supplies and provides food and resources for human consumption in our society. Millions of people worldwide rely on this sector to sustain their livelihoods. Crops are the primary producer here in our society, so why is agriculture still not the people's priority in this country? But why do people still look down upon people whose career is farming or agricultural based work? Agriculture needs us students to support and implement its benefits for everyone. I believe that agriculture will always be something new to learn and grow in this field. With the proper education and training, pursuing an agricultural career path can make a real difference in this world. This field of study has many different aspects including crop production, livestock management, environmental conservation, and many more. As we promote sustainable farming practices and invest in agricultural research and development, we can ensure that agriculture remains an essential part of our global economy and society.
Together let us sprout up. This is Alexandria Ferrer para sa bayan, agham at agrikultura.